welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing a manga character inspired makeup. And for today I'm gonna be attempting to do Tomie by Junji Ito's makeup. And I'm so excited because Tomie is my all-time favorite manga character. If you guys haven't watched the movie or you haven't read the manga, I will be putting all the links on the description box below so you guys could have an idea. And yeah, maybe I'll just insert a picture for right here. But basically, Junji Ito is my all-time favorite like horror manga artist, and I just really love how graphic the work is. It's just beautiful. I love it. And also I'm wearing this shirt. This is from my shop, and you guys probably have seen this shirt so much just because I posted a lot of pictures on it, and I have a lot of shirts designs that is inspired by Tomie just because I really like her. And yeah, so I'm just wearing the shirt because I don't have a school uniform to go with the whole look. So yeah, I'll just wear this white shirt and hopefully that doesn't bother you. But yeah, also the hair looks so stupid because my sister cut the bangs for me, because originally the wig that I'm wearing right now doesn't have a bangs. And yeah, so but I hope you guys will like it. And enough for the rambling. I've been talking so much lately, I'm so sorry, but yeah, let's just get into it. My base makeup off camera, but basically what I do is I only apply my moisturizer by KLAIRS, of course, and also I apply my PERIPERA blur pack in banana milk blur, and my natural actor cover face, also the COSRX spot concealer. That's all I use. And yeah, let's get to the eye makeup. for contour, I'm gonna use my Detail Makeover Contour Blush Palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm using the lightest shade on this palette to contour. I'm just gonna apply it right here. I'm creating a very like precise V shape. So after I contour, the bangs is really annoying me. So after I contour my face, it's time for, after I contour my face, it's time to contour my nose, and I'm just gonna use my finger because I figure out that it's a lot more easier that way, and it looks a lot more natural if you use your fingers. So I'm just like trying to contour it here. That looks good. And now I'm just gonna apply a highlighter at the tip of my nose. If you guys didn't know who Tomie is, I'll just probably link the manga and the movie on the description box below, so you guys could check her out if you guys want to. And yeah, and also I don't have school uniform with me, so I'm just wearing this white shirt with Tomie's face like eyes on it. And yeah, for the lips. And for the lips, we're just gonna apply a very simple natural looking lips. So it's from AIRY Velvet in number 10, and I believe this is their Dusty Pink Rose. Is that what it's called? I forgot. But it's the light shade for fall winter 2018-2017 color. I forgot. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna use the lip tint from my shop, and this color is not out yet, but it will be very soon. And this is just a red, orange, maroon color that I really like. So this is the final look, you guys. It's super simple, super easy, and I'm just gonna fix my wig a little bit more just because I feel like it looks so stupid. Hey guys, so Tomie is out of character now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, also guys, before I end this video, I almost forgot that I will not be announcing the winner here on my YouTube channel, but instead I decided that I'll just announce it on the Peach Keys official Instagram. And so yeah, you guys have to stay tuned on that Instagram. But if you guys didn't make it for this giveaway, don't you worry guys, because there will be a lot of giveaways. I actually am thinking of doing like a monthly giveaway. That way a lot of you guys will have a chance to win this giveaway. And yeah, so that's basically all I'm trying to say. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this video is quite like messy. I hope it's not gonna be as messy, but yeah, I will try, and hopefully this one will make it to my YouTube channel because it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I apologize, but yeah.